Have you ever opened a crypto exchange and seen terms like last price, mark price, index price, or fully diluted market cap and felt lost? Today, we'll break these terms down in simple language so you can trade with confidence. Let's start with the prices you see on an exchange. First, the last price. This is simply the most recent trade that happened on the exchange. It's the number that keeps moving up and down every second. Next, the mark price. This one is mainly used in futures trading. Instead of just relying on the last trade, which can be manipulated by sudden spikes, the exchange uses a fairer calculation called the mark price. It's based on an average of different prices and is used to calculate profit, loss, and liquidations. Finally, the index price. Think of this as the true market value. Exchanges calculate it by taking the average price of a coin across multiple major exchanges. For example, if Bitcoin trades at $99,900 on Binance, $100,000 on Coinbase, and $100,050 on Kraken, the index price is the average of those values. So to recap, last price equals most recent trade. Mark price equals fair price to prevent unfair liquidations in futures. Index price equals real average across multiple exchanges. Now let's talk about market capitalization, or market cap. Market cap equals current price times circulating supply. For example, if a token is $10 and there are 100 million tokens in circulation, the market cap is $1 billion. But there's also fully diluted market cap. This is the price multiplied by the total supply of tokens that could ever exist, even those not yet released. Why does this matter? Because a project might look cheap today with a small circulating supply, but if billions of tokens unlock later, the value per coin could drop. So always compare both market cap and fully diluted market cap before investing. Let's recap. Last price means the latest trade. Mark price means fair calculation used in futures. Index price means true market average across exchanges. Market cap shows today's value, while fully diluted market cap shows potential future value. In Part 2, we'll cover the order book and market depth chart, two tools that reveal what traders are actually doing in the market. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you'd like us to cover more crypto basics. Master crypto one byte at a time.